Hi, my name is Danny from MPC, and today we're going to show you how to install fog lights into the Falcon Bar. The first step is remove the light adjustment holder using the Phillips head screwdriver. The next step is to cut out the fog light covers using a sharp blade in the 4 corners. The next step is to install the fog light clips that holds the fog lights to the housing. There is a small and a big clip. The big clip goes into the one here, and the small one goes on this side. Next, we'll be installing the fog light. Make sure the fog light lines up on each side and be cautious not to break the white clips. Next, you need to install the fog light adjusters. Screw it in about halfway, you'll roughly get center adjustment. Finally, we'll put back the fog light adjuster holder.